This video is for the vacuum collectors. Well, actually, it's kind of more for myself to get information, but this is a vacuum that I picked up on bulk pickup week off the curb over the summer. It is a Rovic. No, that's the store that probably sold it. It's a Versamatic Windsor vacuum. I don't know anything about this model. I've never seen one in particular. Kind of looks like the old traditional Electrolux design, or maybe a knockoff of. It's got the hose for suction tools that goes into the brush floor carpet area, whatever it's called. It has a tested for electrical safety tag on here, but there is no date, of course. The manufacturer code is HP. Windsor Industries Incorporated, VSE 1/3, 6.8 amps or 8.2 with the brush roll. Made in Germany. Motor made in USA. This kind of seemed like it would be a very good quality piece. And so my question is this worth putting money into to repair, or should it just be canceled out because of how far gone it is? The cord is cut, so I don't know if it runs yet. I haven't tried to patch it back. Something is broken off of here. I'm not sure if that's an central piece or if that could just be ignored. There's a lot of breakage down here. This part is all cracked off here, and this doesn't stay in place. This is also cracked down here. I'm not sure if that's negligible or if that's like gasket area where it's going to be a problem. The tilt apparatus does not seem to work. It doesn't lock in place. There's a lever there which also does not seem to do anything. The brush roll, it feels like it's still connected to something. The brush roll, of course, probably should be replaced. This, I think, is this mechanism here. This shaft is all bent. It's in really bad shape. But I also would hate to discard something that's rare, vintage, good quality, or all three. So somebody that knows more about these machines, let me know. Is this something that's really worth putting some money into to get it back in good working order? Or is this fairly run-of-the-mill and not worth the time or money? If there's someone that wants this, and it's within a reasonable amount of time from the video, like a couple weeks, and I haven't decided to do anything with it yet, I'll send it to you if you want to pay for the arrangements. It's not going to be cheap. This thing is very heavy, but I can try to disassemble it as much to cut the size of the box down as possible. You need to send an email for that, but let me know. Give me some feedback in the comments box. Is this worth anything or not?